Are you trying to decide if a job should be done by an agent or by a human? Well, here's 5 steps you can go through to help you make that decision. First, you need to clearly define the task. What is the actual job to be done? Is this something that's just a discrete task, or is this something with maybe multiple steps? That'll help you identify the rest of the things you need to think about. Because step 2 is to identify the core skill that's required. Is this something that requires empathy, maybe persuasion, some relationship building? That's likely going to be human-centered. Is this something that is more relying on data processing, maybe some repetition? Are there maybe logic or rules that need to be followed? That's likely going to be agentic. And then step 3 is to identify the motivation behind the task. Why does someone actually need to do this job? Is this a building trust type task? Is this the ability to upsell? Is this something that you hope can uncover some maybe hidden information? That's likely going to need to be human. Or is this just something that needs to be done? Consider agentic AI for something that just needs to get done. Then you need to evaluate your risk profile. Is this a high risk potential job? Is this something that client relationships rely on? Is this something that may have legal implications? That's likely going to need to be human led. But is this low risk? Maybe is this just in our world, maybe scheduling an interview or parsing a resume or sending an email? That's typically fantastic for an agent. And then the 5th step is to really match the right agent capabilities with this task. Can this particular agent reason through something with the data that's available? Does this agent maybe have the wrong context or the right context with system access, the right training, the right triggers that can actually get this job done? That'll help you define where you need to then place that. So I'm hoping that these 5 steps will help you through that.